Alright, this is Jason Tatum showing off my Theo class frigate in Space Engineers. Here we go. So here's the front of it. You can see the bridge up here. So the basic design theory here is I wanted to make something that looked like it was a giant version of the space shuttle. Like as if it were something maybe designed by NASA, maybe. It's a smaller ship than some of the other ships I've been working on. It does have landing gear, so it's capable of landing on a platform or a planetary body. We've got a connector up here. We've got airlocks on the side. There's more thrust pointing down than there's pointing up. That's to help it land. Has the same amount of thrust going forward as it does backwards. And we have a small hangar bay in the back. I have this big fighter thing here that it's too big for the hangar. I might make the hangar bigger, or I might design a new fighter. But, well, without further ado, why don't we land the ship and I'll take you on a tour. Okay. Alright. Pop her down right here. Power off. Alright. Gravity on. Okay, so we're in the hangar bay, and I got a couple ships parked in here. There's a little drilling ship. This is just an observatory, or windows I should say. Alright, we go through an airlock here. Let me turn off my flashlight, shouldn't need that. Oops. Alright, going through the outer airlock door. Okay, now we're into the back of the ship. I have a lot of open space here in the back. I'm not sure exactly what I'm planning on doing with all this. There's a bunch of gyroscopes. Not much to say about that. Okay, as we come back here, we see the reactor room. It's just some windows for it. This is another door into that big room that we just saw earlier. And we got something that is really cool here. I saw somebody had a YouTube video, I can't remember what the person's name is, but they had a big hole in their ship. And I decided I wanted to try that. And I have some welders here. And I have a hollow projector here, which I haven't really quite set up yet, and an emerge block. And the idea is you can build different things that fit in the center here, like maybe a giant turret or something, or you could build ships or whatever. I haven't really played around with much of this yet. We could try to do some welding. Let's see if see if we can fire this up real quick. Wrong button. No terminal there. Alright. Well, he's just gotta have a terminal. No? Alright. Darn it. I'm gonna have to grab a keypad here. Oh yeah. And we just we'll let it in all the space. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright. I don't really have atmospheric modeling in this game yet. I wonder if they're gonna add that. That'd be kinda cool. Alright, so not sure what the maximum distance on this thing, but we're gonna see what happens here. So there you go, you see the welders moving out into position. You fly out here. Yeah, so the idea is the projector would turn on and things would start getting welded up as the welder moved backwards. This will extend further than that, but I just want to show what's going on there. Okay, come in here. airlock off. I mean, jetpack off. We didn't go into the reactor room. Let's take a quick look at that. Oops. Alright, so we're in the reactor room. And you got a bunch of consoles and, you know, all the stuff your engineers would need to maintain your 2 large reactors. Beyond that, we have some large cargo bins. And beyond that, we have a factory and a refinery, or I should say 3 assemblers and 1 refinery. Everything's hooked up, so this ship should work in survival mode, although I haven't tried that yet. Close our door here. Yeah. Okay. So I really like this wraparound view. You can go all the way around. That's so cool. Alright. Let's go on to the rest of the ship. Okay. This, I believe, is the start of the medic bay. I got to do some more work here. That's interesting. I got a little wall there that needs to be fixed. I can't get it from here. I have to do it on the other side. Yeah, no big deal. Alright. Not much to see in the medic bay area. This was going to be some sort of control room. And once again, that wall shouldn't be there. Or that hole shouldn't be there. Okay. I can look outside of our ship. Oh yeah, got some sunlights in here. Got some conveyors running up here. Alright, now, got a sign here. It says it's the airlock. This is where the main airlocks are. Yeah, I gotta fix that there. Alright. Alright, so you got your equipment lockers. You got some shelves. And then you got your main airlock. So if we were to close that, pressurize or depressurize, and then fly out here, we come out the side of the ship. And it says Theo right there, which is the name of this class, or name of the ship. I might move that down a little bit. Alright. Whoops, there we go. Close that. Open that. Alright. Okay, these are crew lockers. Oh yeah, if you look down here, you can see one of the 2 gravity generators. This is the main crew quarters. I have to put some lighting in here. I haven't done that yet, but you basically get your, you know, your bunks. Oops. So there's 6 on this side, and 6 on the other side, and each side has showers, and toilets, and sinks. So I figure you'd have male and female quarters here. Okay, and then in here you have some officers' quarters. I got to rework this a little bit, but you got a nice little bed there, nice scenic view, your own personal shower. Yeah, I got to throw some lights in here. I haven't done that yet. Not a big deal. Alright, now, let's see, we have the mess hall. And it's a small mess hall. The idea here is the ship doesn't carry a huge complement of crew. You know, maybe 12 enlisted people and maybe 4 officers, I don't know. It's Mr. Coffee. Okay, now I come through here and we are on the bridge. And you get your usual consoles, yada yada yada. And Let's jump in the seat here. And let's do some pilotage. Alright. Alright. Let's see how fast this guy goes. Alright. Takes a little time to get up to speed. Again, I'm thinking, you know, this would be something designed by NASA, not necessarily designed for massive speed. Kind of designed this to kind of establish new asteroid bases, and the idea is you'd have everything you need to do that. Alright, reverse thrust. Probably could use some more gyroscopes, but that's not too bad. Of course, everybody wants to see a crash. Oh, I just see this little part flying out there. I don't know what that is. Before I do this, I'm going to save. Oh, not lined up at all. Alright, it's back up. Let's go down a little bit. You do this properly, should really get a nice running head start, but good enough. Poor red ship. Everybody rams the red ship. I know every single thing that I make, I have to ram the red ship with. I don't know why. Guess because it's just there. Alright, we're not going to get very fast before we hit the sucker. I'm sure the bridge is going to snap right off. I used only light armor, didn't use any heavy armor in this at all. Again, I didn't really build this for combat. Yes, it has 4 Gatling turrets, but again, I didn't really build this for combat. Yeah, we should be hitting something. I guess we're a little bit high. Oh, jeez. Oh, I just lost the cockpit. Should probably have a secondary bridge. Well. Alright, that's enough for this video. So, just want to show you what I've been working on.